You know, folks, I wasn't even going to put this video up, but I did go out specifically to make a video. The weather obviously did not cooperate. It's still raining. You can still see it's raining. I was literally, after paddling out to where I wanted to fish in the kayak, I was there for about 30 minutes. Out of those 30 minutes, I fished for about 15 minutes. I caught 3 fish. Thunder started, lightning, rain. I paddled myself back in, along with everybody else that was out there fishing. They all headed back in. So, you know, everyone loves a good fish story. Today wasn't it. However, I will redeem. I will try to get back out there next week, or the first available good weather day we have. We'll make it happen. Well, it's mid-September, getting into the great time of year. Weather's going to be changing. It has been overcast, rainy for the last 2 weeks since Labor Day. Every day, big storms. Water's starting to cool off a little bit. Fish are going to start moving into these flats. To me, this is the golden time of year. So we're going to do a little exploration today, see what we can make happen. It is very overcast, but we'll see what happens. I just saw a fish move here. I'm going to take a cast at it. Oh, I got something good. Oh, Lordy. I don't know. It might be a snook. If it is, I hope it's a big one. I got to get my net. It feels like it's a big one. All right. Get me. He's trying to get me in the mangroves. He's pulling this boat all over the place. I think I got a good snook. Either that or really good. Oh no, it's a jack. It's a big jack. Oh my God. On an artificial. I was hoping for a snook or redfish. Man. All right, let me get him in. I'll be right back with you. All right, he pulled good. Easy, 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 easy. Well, there you go, folks. Wow. And just like that, woo-wee, that felt good. I don't know what I got. Feels good. Oh, it's a catfish. It's a catfish. Oh, it's a little redfish. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Little redfish. Not what we came for, but nonetheless. Feet sitting on the couch. Don't know what I have. Draining. Probably nothing I want to keep. Yep, nothing I want to keep. Looks like everybody is vacating. I got to the dock this morning, or dock. I got to the launch site this morning. There's no dock. It's just sand that drops in back in these mangroves. But there's a few people there. Actually, one individual drove down from Tallahassee this morning. I hear the thunder. I gotta get in. Drove down from Tallahassee because They say the snook are biting and everybody's coming from far away to fish in here with their kayaks. So, hey, we're gonna do it again. But until the next video, we'll see you later. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see the rain coming across the marsh.